Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. It is Saturday night where I am recording right now, and tomorrow I will be serving in church. So I thought I might as well just show you what I'll be bringing to church, and yeah, so let's get right into it.
Okay, so I'm going to walk through all the stuff that I will be bringing to church as I serve on the keys. So let's just go through the tech and cable stuff before I go on to the live stuff. So here are three USB cables, and these are specifically the USB-A to USB-B cables. And what that is you will have one side that plugs into your normal USB port like the laptop one, and then this goes into the keyboard. But because I will also be using the audio interface, as you can see I have the Scarlett 2i2 from Focusrite. One of these cables will be going to connect my laptop to the Focusrite, and while another one of that will be connected to my to connect my laptop and my keyboard. So I am just being a little bit safe here. I pretty much just need two of these cables, but I have packed three. Okay, so that's my Scarlett 2i2 Focusrite audio interface. And then over here I have two 1/4-inch cables. So as you can see, these are the normal 1/4-inch cables. And for this one, I've also kind of attached on a 1/4-inch cable to mini converter, just in case I need to connect this into my laptop directly for the sound output. So I'm bringing two of that. I pretty much just need one, but I'm again trying to be very safe and bringing two just in case one cable gives me problems. Okay, moving on to this side. This is my Shure SE 215, I think. Yeah, and the case that comes with it. And so, yep, we'll be using this as my in-ear monitors. And then here's my laptop and the laptop charger cable, which is gonna fit, actually all of that's gonna fit into my laptop bag. And then on to some interesting things. I've got my notebook, which I just find pretty handy to have in case I need to write stuff for any reason. And then here I've got my summary sheet, which I've also got my blue tack prepared, and this is going to be taped onto or tacked onto my keyboard tomorrow so that I can quickly glance through the notes that I need to look at. Tomorrow I'll be band leading, and I do worry about forgetting little bits of details, and I want to make sure that this will prevent me from having memory slips. And then of course, how could we survive without a bit of food? And also my water bottle, which I am perpetually stuck with because I just get so thirsty every few minutes, believe it or not. So yeah, there you have it. These are all the stuff that I have. Now, of course, what's missing here is my keyboard, my Novation Launch Key 61, and my keyboard stand. These are missing because they are already packed in my car, but otherwise, this is what I'll be bringing to church tomorrow.
I hope you found that helpful. I would love to know what you bring to church when you are serving on keys. So be sure to just share about that in the comments section below. And if you found this video useful, do hit the like button and also subscribe to the Inspired Keyboardist YouTube channel if you haven't already. I also want to let you know that I have a free 3 quick tips to better worship keyboard playing PDF. And if you would like to just supercharge your worship keys playing real quick, then you do want to get access to this free PDF. You can get it for free by clicking the link below. See the description box for more details. Also, if you'd like to support me by giving me a little bit of money so that I can up my worship keys production quality, as well as for you to have a chance to have a one-on-one worship keys online lesson with me, then you can check out patreon.com/inspiredkeys. The link is below. And finally, also, if you really want to get better in your worship keys playing, then the Inspired Keys Academy is here to help you. The Inspired Keys Academy has lots of courses on a variety of topics that will help you supercharge your worship keys playing. And you can basically refer to the topics that you want to learn from, and you can also share recordings of your playing and get feedback and directly improve from specific pointers that I can give you, as well as Inspired Keys Academy members. So to find out more about the Inspired Keys Academy, go to inspiredkeys.com/join. Be sure to use the limited time discount code $trial to try the Academy out for 2 whole weeks for just $1. It might just be the best $1 you've ever used, you've ever spent, and you can cancel anytime, no obligations, and you can get full access to all of the Inspired Keys Academy. So I really look forward to seeing you in the Academy, and also to see what you bring along to your church services when you serve on the keys by commenting below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!